Hi guys, welcome back to our tools channel. So today I'm going to show you how to request desktop site on your Firefox browser. Let's get started. What you need to do is open up the app. Once you open up the app, you need to search for some website or search for anything. So I'm going to use this Unilever as an example. Now once you click on it, how when you're browsing, so how do you request for a desktop site? What you need to do is click on these three dots. Once you click on it, these three dots, then you're going to scroll down. You need to see desktop site. Just click on it and it's going to appear exactly as if you're using your system or your laptop or your iPad to browse. You can see it's going to exchange very easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.